2023 Ford F-150 Tremor, 33,000 miles. Hi, everyone. My name is Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. I am back with another uncut, unedited, unfiltered, off-the-cuff, what you see is what you get vehicle video. Yep, 33,000 miles on this one owner. Carfax is too. It's just a dealer taking title. Clear Carfax, third-party inspected, comes with the balance of bumper-to-bumper factory warranty. You can extend that warranty very reasonably at the AutoramaAuto.com in our finance office. In our finance office. I did that goofy. Again, these aren't edited or cut. If you want to extend that warranty, you can do it in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. Get pre-approved. Then you don't have to spend all day here. Seriously, when you're pre-approved, we'll have you in and out under 20 minutes. There's not a dealership that's going to sell you a vehicle faster than us when you're pre-approved. You like it, you love it, you want to leave with it, 20 minutes when you're pre-approved. You can do it from the comfort of your own home. Back to the truck. Gravity blue. If you're not familiar with the Tremor, it's like the Raptor, only it's for trails versus bahaing out in the desert. So it's a little more geared for that kind of thing. Similar to a ZR2 or to a Ram Rebel. Look at that beautiful interior, all the gold accents. Just a little Easter egg there for you. Beautiful truck, every single option. Might as well be a Platinum or a King Ranch. It's got all the good stuff on it. 5.5 foot bed. Spray and factory liner. She's beautiful. Now let's talk about price. I know you're going to find similar trucks advertised for less money. Notice I said advertised for less money. Why? Because car business is competitive. Everyone wants to have the lowest price on their cars so they can be first on the search results. But you can't be the lowest price and be in this business because you're going to go out of business. So what dealers do is they have a super low price to get you in the door, and then they have $5,000, $4,000, $3,000 in hidden fees. That's right. Thousands of dollars in hidden fees. We don't do that. We have the price you see is the price you pay, drive it away. Price you see is the price you pay, drive it away. No hidden fees. We have a $145 doc fee. Corey, give them a free doc fee if they show you the video. Free doc fee if you show the F&I guy the video. So let's recap. 2023 Ford F-150 Tremor. Crew cab. EcoBoost. Fully loaded, 33,000 miles, factory warranty, one owner, clear Carfax, third-party inspected, no hidden fees, fast financing, price you see is the price you pay, drive it away. I call that the Autorama advantage. Come and join us, folks.